some prophet, some politician, some guru, some priest, which means we're always seeking an answer from somebody else. And please don't put the speaker in that position, because he's not going to answer if we are going together investigate the question, which is much more intelligent than say, if one answers, you say, well, that's not good enough, or that's all right, that's satisfactory, or you begin to discuss about the answer. But if we begin to look, probe, play with it, and it reveals tremendous lot. Right? There are several questions here. You have said that there is a group consciousness. What is the relationship between the group consciousness and the individual consciousness? How can human beings undergo a total psychological change while the group consciousness has not changed totally? May I read it once more? You have said that there is a group consciousness. What is the relationship between the group consciousness and the individual consciousness? How can a human being undergo a total psychological revolution or transformation while the group consciousness has not changed totally? We're going to investigate the question. There is no answer. But when one investigates this really important question, it reveals so much. First of all, is there a group consciousness? Some scientists are experimenting, I've been told, by one of them, that a certain species of animals undergoing certain experiments and achieving a certain result, these results are communicated to the whole group, rats, wolves, and so on. So they are trying to establish a group, a consciousness of a group which is affected by few individuals who learn something very quickly. They are doing this. Perhaps some of you have heard about it or read about it. And if this is so, then is human consciousness different from the individual consciousness? And is the group consciousness, like the British, it's a group, British consciousness, French consciousness, German, American. Now, take a group of British, the British group consciousness, traditional, very proud of their past empire, ready to kill. Probably the British have the greatest number of wars to their record, and so on, so on. They have a certain consciousness, the group. And in that group there is the individual consciousness. That's what the questioner is asking. What is the relationship between the group consciousness, right, and the one who lives in that group, who is separate from the group? Right? Are we following each other? Need I repeat that again? Yes? All right. There is the Indian consciousness. I won't, British consciousness, you may object to it, so let's go further. There is the Indian or Japanese consciousness as a group. And in that group, I live with my consciousness. The questioner asks, is that group consciousness separate from the my consciousness, or is my consciousness similar to the group? Right? That's the question. We're investigating it. We are not trying to find an answer. In that group consciousness of India, there are various levels of consciousness, the Brahmanical and so on, so on, so on. And if you're born in amongst one of those separate little groups contained in India, what is the relationship of that individual to that group? It may be a limited group, but it is the whole of Indian consciousness. You understand? You have to think with me a little bit. Now, the relationship is, surely, there is a coating of group consciousness, level of it, layers of it, and within those layers, the individual consciousness. The individual being his sorrows, his anxieties, etc., etc. The group says, you are an idealist, if they say so. And you, within that group, are also have learned the importance or unimportance of an ideal. So what is the relationship of one who believes or doesn't believe in idealism and to the group that believes? You following? If he has no belief whatsoever in idealism, then he's totally out of the group. Right? But if he believes in idealism, he belongs to that group. Now, the question asks, how can a human being undergo a total psychological change while the group consciousness has not changed at all? I'm also reading the question for the first time. First of all, is the group consciousness separate from me, from the individual consciousness? That we have to establish completely. Are you an individual different from